Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a like new 2023 Charger 8315 SR. So this is a 2023 white in color with graphics. It's a 15-foot short wall, 8 wide, 3 horse. It is 7'6" tall. So Charger edition in Lakota. I don't even think I said Lakota. So it is a 2023 Lakota Charger 8315 SR. It has a stainless nose, 2 hydraulic jacks, or 2 jack legs, 1 control, battery box, spare tire, 2 propane tanks. Again, it does have the graphics package. It is a 15-foot short wall with a slide. It is like new condition. It was used very rarely. So it's in great shape. Escape door with flip-up step. The escape door does have a drop window with bars as well. 2 manger storage boxes underneath those last 2 windows. Extruded sides underneath those last 2 windows. Aluminum wheels. No dings. No scratches, nothing that I can point out on this side of the trailer, actually on the whole trailer, but while I'm on this side, there is nothing that stands out. We just washed this trailer, so the back does have some water in it. It does not leak. Get water left in them and do the video, and then I have to explain why there's water in there. All right, guys, so rear tack is collapsible. 3-tier saddle rack that does come out. Blanket bar, brush box, 2 sets of bridle hooks. It does have the rear rubber bumper. There's no tears on this back door. A lot of times the back doors will have some rubber tears. It's in great shape. Like I said, it still smells new. So stepping up in the horse box, fully lined and insulated. It does have a lower divider. It does have 3 fans, big drop down windows on the rear. It is insulated. I may have said that. Roof vents. It does have that lower divider. Walk through door. Again, the rubber is all in great shape in this trailer. There's nothing that I can fault it for. All the padding's in good shape. It looks brand new. Like I said, I don't even know that they hauled a horse in here very often, if at all. I mean, it's in excellent shape. Two load lights on the rear. It's got a switch for those, switch for the interior lights of the horse box, and it does have load lights on either side with switches. Again, here's a better look at the drop down windows on the rear. Power awning. No blemishes, dings, scratches on this side of the trailer as well. So stepping, it does have a 110 outlet here on the outside of the trailer. Stepping in the LQ, this would be an angled bar layout, and this would be the angled bar. So it is the hickory color, so it makes it feel really big and open in here. It's got a little bit of the, it's like the alligator inlay above the slide on your valances and on the back of the couch as the back of the dinette seats. That dinette makes a bed. This couch makes a bed, so you've got ample sleeping area in this trailer. 4 steps, or 3 rather, 3 steps up to the bed. Bed area has storage behind those pillows with a shelf. A little bit of storage here. Can't get over there to open that door at the moment. A little storage here with your radio. Clean trailer. I mean, it's like new. It still smells new to me, so especially the horse box. Big TV. That TV is on a swing arm. You've got a cabinet here for good storage. It's got a propane furnace. It's got ducted AC. So again, 2 storage cabinets above. You've got storage underneath across the deck on, I believe, both sides of these. Yes. Your water tank is underneath that couch. It's got a pocket hide screen. Hide screen. That's the word. Hide screen door. So you've got a counter space, a 3-burner gas stop stove. You've got drawers for storage, the books, cabinet here, cabinet space here, double stainless sink, cabinets above. Spinning around, we've got a big fridge, and that big fridge has got a drawer and a cabinet below. So good bit of storage above that dinette, underneath the dinette. So this is a 15-foot short wall, 8315. I'm going to come back this way, and then I'm going to spin around. Great floor space in this trailer. It's got plenty of floor space. If you needed to put an air mattress in the floor, you totally could and still get around. Pocket bathroom door, walk-through door, fantastic fan, sink and vanity, toilet, of course, your octagon style shower, skylight, wardrobe type cabinetry with drawers. It's one of my more favorite layouts. Has a lot of storage space for clothing. So again, hickory in color, walk-through door. Bathroom is in a good shape. Not a good shape. It's got ample room. It's definitely in good shape. That's what I was trying to say. It's Monday, guys. So super nice trailer, like new condition, 2023. Really can't fault it for anything. It is ready to go. If you want a like new Lakota for not a brand new price, this would be a great option. So super nice, 2023. This is Ashley. You're reviewing Carolina Trailer Sales. We are CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We do not put pricing on our YouTube. We greatly appreciate you subscribing. Reach out to 828-773-4500. All of the measurements and more specific information will be on our website about this trailer. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.